Okay, well, the cell phone has been going off, going crazy with National Weather Service alerts of a tornado warning for the northern part of Brevard County. That's north of Cocoa Beach, but it's supposed to be right over Cape Canaveral. And that's the weather system right there to the north. Very dark, ominous looking. The launch pads are in that direction. So the bad weather is about right there. There was supposed to be a Delta 4 launch tonight of, there's some lightning of, I think a couple of top secret satellites, but obviously that's going to get scrubbed. Because that launch would be in about, I think, an hour, and there's a lot of weather all fired up in Brevard right now and over Cape Canaveral. And I better get inside. This is Mark from Cocoa Beach. Over and out.